Hi everybody, happy Tech Tip Tuesday. It's Melissa O'Connell, your Lexus technology specialist, and today we are talking about volume control in your Lexus. So keep in mind there are quite a few different volume controls that we all have access to now, especially using smartphones, but I want to make sure that you know how to adjust the volume for your onboard system. So if the navigation system or the voice command system, if you have a non-nav vehicle. So we're talking about the Lexus voice control. Let's check it out. So typically when we think of volume, we usually think about the power and volume button for the sound system, or the plus and minus version, which is on the steering wheel but does the same functionality. Contrary to that thought, however, is the volume control that is in your menu and settings. So we're going to push menu, and then on your screen you want to go to setup, and then you'll see voice volume. Now if you're in an older model vehicle, this will be a horizontal across the top and you'll be able to have your volume control there. You just want to click and hear an example of the change in volume. Nice and easy. We'll take a look at another model to show you the difference. That was the layout on a 2020 RX. Let's take a look at the other layout that might be on your vehicle. I'm in a 2020 GX now. We'll push setup, and then we're back at voice. And here's our horizontal voice volume control right across the top. Touch for an example.
Guidance will be at this volume. Guidance will be at this volume. Guidance will be at this volume.
Keep in mind that the voice volume control adjusts the volume for the Lexus onboard navigation system. It also adjusts the volume for your voice commands. So if you're in a non-navigation vehicle and you're using voice command on your Lexus, or a navigation vehicle using voice command, then you will be able to adjust the volume. Here we are in our GX with the factory default voice volume setting of level 4.
Guidance will be at this volume.
And if I activate the voice command,
please say a command.
You can get a sense of the volume. So now let's go ahead and adjust that. A lot of people like to have their navigation voice pretty soft.
Guidance will be at this volume.
But keep in mind, if you've made that change,
please say a command.
It will adjust your voice command volume as well. So if you need to
guidance will be at this volume,
crank it up, go for it. If not,
guidance
just
will be at this volume.
Turn it down with the touch of a button. Thanks for joining me for Tech Tip Tuesday. See you next time.